Lakeland, a point of view in Montague. The wooded section, never touched by man, we call it Lakeland. From it, we see the lake, maybe 60 yards yon. Buildable lot, they say. Who would want to when you can make pottery from clay? Trees and vines of all kinds, wrapped around each other, holding on tight, strangling, giving bear hugs. Trees rooted sideways, hidden, trying to find the sky. Meander through step by step, each foot is a machete job. Sticker bushes, huge branches, rotted logs, and groundhogs. Evidence of years fallen down. Is it fun? A slight easement. Timber! There's the sun. We cut away with Howie's help, moving and removing what we don't want to see. A path, eventually. Humanity's mission, searching and praying with a vision and a plight. The resurrection of creation from the valley to the heights. Overgrown life with God's tree. A project of the heart as the artist finds his art. The musician wants to sing as the swan spreads its wings. Each section is a task, phasing in before spring, when everything blossoms fast. Never say last chance. As we clear and unfold, the images of time are told. Don't define what's yet to be. Explore a pioneer's destiny. Give expression to a monument. Let ideas spark anew as the manifestation of dreams come true. We will not rest till wait and see. Do it by hand. Grab the earth, a poetic mission with honking geese, moving water, and the land of birth. Let's identify as we go. Name just what is unveiled. Let the spirits fly. We started a path from Treeside and one from Eagle's View, not knowing where they're leading, but one day we will. Eagle's View is closest to the lake. Treeside is furthest, opposite opaque. We found a wishing well near Eagle's View, a stone semicircle with a slab of slate, haphazardly inside with all its weight. Paths connected from this country tale will be known as Journey Trail.